We are, Aaron, and the possibility of some power outages with those high winds, considering the heavy wet snow that we got overnight here. Now, the plows have been out. We've seen them working, and we have one plow over here. Give you an idea of how this heavy wet snow is. You can see it trying to work and clear the sidewalks here in Meredith, but that's an indication of the what they are dealing with here in the Lakes region, indeed around New Hampshire. Now, that heavy wet snow did cause some power outages overnight. There were about 2,700 that were reported. However, a lot of progress has been made just in the last hour or so. We're down now to about 400 outages statewide, and those are scattered. But once again, those heavy winds that we are expecting later on, combine it with that heavy wet snow, and well, we could see some more of those power outages, so just be prepared for that. Heck of a way to start the new year. Reporting live in Meredith, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.